Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Dodge Dart, okay, and your TPMS light is blinking, okay, the tire pressure light, guys, let's say it comes on and then it goes off and then comes back on and then it's on again, guys. We'll explain what can cause that now, guys. In some cases your light will just stay on all the time, and that could be due to a low tire, it could be, guys, to a bad sensor, due to a bad sensor, or malfunction in the system somewhere that detects the pressure. Quick introduction to the channel, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need any help, leave a comment below, guys, and we'll try to make a video for your problem. So I'll demonstrate, guys. This is the Dodge Dart. That's the one that we have problems with the TPMS light. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get inside the vehicle now, and I'm going to start it, guys. Let me show you now. And you're going to notice how the TPMS light, okay, just stays on the dash. So it's super annoying. Sometimes it just goes away. And what I notice, guys, that this happens usually, okay, it happens when, okay, let me even turn the light off so you can see a little bit better. Perfect, right there. When it happens, guys, okay, that thing happens usually in the mornings, cold days, and then it turns itself off sometimes when it gets warm. But when we have a cold night or drive through cold weather, it activates itself. So what causes that now, guys? We're going to get out of the car, remove the tire, remove the wheel, and we'll explain where the sensor is and what is causing your problem. So right here now we have the wheel and the tire removed, guys. You can see we had to remove the tire from the wheel. And where your valve stem is, guys, that's where your TPMS sensor is. That's the tire pressure monitor system, or that's your sensor. You have one of those in each wheel. Now we're going to remove this one. On Dodge Dart, you press it there, okay, press in and pull it out, and that sensor, guys, on the back side, you're going to notice there is a round section. That round section, guys, is where you have a battery. That's where the battery is, guys. And if that battery starts getting weak, getting out, what will happen? Actually, it will send, okay, it's going to send a signal to the computer that it's still weak, or sometimes it will lose communication with the computer, and as a result, guys, your light may be blinking or coming on and off. In warmer weather, usually, guys, that thing can actually get warm, or after driving for a while, and what will happen, the battery from being warm will get some charge and it will start communicating again. When you stop driving or the tires get cold, guys, what will happen? Actually, you can activate your light on again. So the correct way to fix that is to replace the whole sensor and reprogram it. But we, guys, replaced batteries in the past, but you have to break the sensor seal, take it apart, put the battery and reseal it. We have a video on the channel, guys, that explains how to do that. Check it out. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.